What is up, you guys? Josh and Haley here. We are back at the Goodwill bins, walking past the hoarder van over here. I've talked about it in the past. I really want to buy this van.
We're not buying
with all of the, often like $1,000 and just take the van with all of the contents. Wouldn't that be a great video? We're gonna get in the Goodwill bins over here today and see what we can find to flip online for a profit. They just opened the door. They only let in 5 or 10 people at a time just to avoid some congestion, but we are just moments away from getting in here today. If you guys have never been to a Goodwill bins location before, we take our bags in here and fill it up, and then they put it on a big scale and then weigh it, and that's how they determine how much you pay. So you can find some pretty good stuff. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Let's do it. Got some Magellan backpack. Look at that.
How to Train Your Dragon plush. Little Coach wallet. This Cocoa Melon. Everyone's obsessed with that, aren't they? Look at there, an Accu-Check scale. We can use it for our business.
Rub to go into the lunchbox. Yeah, rotating board. What's up, man? Alright. I'm gonna get this Scrabble.
Some of these cool, like, dinosaur type, like, tie plushes might do well, like, as a lot. I might pick these up. They'll be really cheap. They'll be like, I can get a whole bag of them for $1.
Yes, I just found this plush, and it is absolutely terrifying. It's got eyes on the side, and its mouth opens like that. I don't see any tags or anything, so I don't know. Maybe it's just some homemade monstrosity, but pretty cool. Oh, it's got arms. Like 4 arms, 2 legs. That's kind of crazy. Just found this guy too. It's the thing from Star Wars, and this is on a Star Wars tag. That's really cool. Good size too. Yeah, that's Five Nights at Freddy's guy. Little wires coming out of his ears. It's neat.
Pair of Vans. Men's size 6, women's 7.5. Pick up some Magic the Gathering cards. I know nothing about these, but they'll be so cheap that I can't not get them, right? Found a Squishmallow. Oh, it's a Squishmallow. New attack.
These are different shoes here. Some rollerblades. So I got this pair. These are the orange ones. These are okay. I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine. They should come pretty clean. And then this one, very similar model. This is a different colorway. These are probably a little bit more worn, but still worth picking up. These will probably be like $3. Should clean up pretty nice. That guy, I don't know his name, but he just walked up and said, "Do you want this calculator?" It's TI-89. I don't know what these are going for. I know the TI-84s probably just needs new batteries, but yeah, I'll take it. He does mostly vintage t-shirts, so now if I find a cool vintage t-shirt, I'll have to give it to him. Everybody takes care of everybody over here. Oh, it's turkey call. Also found this Squishmallow.
Bulbasaur. Oh look, Jurassic World. Ghostbusters. Plush Central today.
Got this pair of Birkenstocks right here. Papilio. Bottoms look good. Kind of a little worn, but some people like worn in Birkenstocks. Grab those. What else do we got? All the shoes look like they're still together today, which is very nice considering how hard we had to look for shoes last time we were here. Just more? Yeah, look at that. More Birkenstocks. Need a little cleaning, but structurally they're good.
Disney store tag. Sonic. Yeah. A lot of toys today. Here's another Squishmallow. Oh, look how cute. Stitch. It's a little dirty, but just throw them in the washing machine. This thing is Ryan's World, I think. Yeah, Ryan's World. Isn't that YouTuber?
I have this pair of Timberland boots over here as well. They're like, they feel very soft, but they're not like super worn. There's a little bit of heel drag on this one, but again, these will probably be like $3 or $4. We could probably get like 25 or so for them. Haley wants me to go get her a bag for her plush. She is finding so much plush.
All sorts of stuff. Five Nights at Freddy's, Squishmallows.
That's the Squishmallow new with tags.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yep.
One
Nobody went through this bin.
Yeah.
Like, this was up. Like,
That's
nobody
crazy.
had touched it.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
So all the plush at our location, they sell like big garbage bags for $1. So as long as we can fit all this in one bag, it'll be $1 for everything. All right, let's get this loaded up. Pikachu. Pikachu looks a little weird. Five Nights at Freddy's. The Pirates of the Caribbean. Dumbo Squishmallow. More Five Nights at Freddy's. More Squishmallow. Whatever that is.
It was just so cool that I could go
Jojo
through all
Siwa.
of this, like, by myself.
Yeah.
Nobody was bothered.
People like, I don't know. Plush isn't everybody's thing.
Yeah.
You know?
Look, I got Blossom
Blossom.
from Powerpuff World. This is Jurassic World.
That's so cool.
Five Nights at Freddy's. This was Ryan's World.
Bulbasaur.
Sonic. Squish. Another Squish. And then I got all these like cool dinosaur, like tie ones that we can lock together. Got this bag of Disney Store stuff. And then,
How to Train Your Dragon.
yeah.
I see a bunch of Magic the Gathering cards in there.
I did find a lot of Magic the Gathering cards. And then Simba or something. It's on a Disneyland tag.
Oh, that's old.
Yeah.
Disneyland. That's really old. He's like pouncing. Found a couple more things in this plush bin. We got a little Ninja Turtle here. We got this guy. I don't know if it's Five Nights at Freddy's, but it looks weird. Monkey with braces and F, so I'm gonna get that. And we got two of these things. They're not plush, but they're like those like squish cake things. So I'm gonna add those to the regular, and then add these to the plush bag.
There's some rainbow flip-flops. Pretty used, but like a nice cool pattern.
Well, here is an interesting find, folks. Kappa. This is a brand that's like the two women back to back. I've seen like shirts and hoodies, but I've never seen shoes before. Purple Kappa slides. This actually might be worth looking for. I've never seen them, so they can't be super common. Might actually be worth a little bit. It should be easy to find too. Look at here. It should be easy to find because it's purple. That's pretty cool. Again, I don't know how much they're worth, but definitely worth picking up for sure.
How you guys doing today?
Great, so good.
Awesome.
So we got the two bags here, and then this is all plush.
And $1 for the plush. And your total is $52.03.
$52.03, all right?
Yeah, have a good one.
Thanks, man. You too.
Editor Haley, real quick, jumping in here. I didn't know that Josh wasn't filming the first part of this, so here's a recap of everything I got that wasn't plush.
A pair of simple Vans.
Simple Vans.
Simple rainbows.
Simple. Oh, those are the cool ones. These aren't simple.
Yeah.
Those are the ones with the fish on them.
I picked this up because it was cool. It had a feather and a little like goose or whatever on it, and it's Andhurst, made in USA.
Okay.
It's fitted, but. And then
All
look
the doors
what,
are.
what else I found?
Oh,
An
architect
architect scale.
scale.
Perfect for our business.
We do need a new scale.
I picked this up because it's Cocomelon and babies are obsessed with Cocomelon.
Okay.
I forgot that I put this in the bag. I have no idea what that is.
Okay.
And then a bunch of Magic the Gathering cards that I
we get
sifted
any
through.
green eyes white dragon? That's the only card I know.
I mean, I figure somebody would want them for how cheaply I got them
Raging
for.
Goblin. Ember Wild. I wish I knew anything about Magic the Gathering.
Goblin Ringleader.
Why are there so many goblins?
It's the name of the game, Josh.
Well, it's not Magic the Goblin.
We're going next door?
Yeah, I
At
guess.
least to wash our hands
Yes.
before we get iced coffee, right?
Before we get iced coffee and food. Yeah. Got this pair of Callaway golf shoes right here. These are pretty dirty, but they look to be in good shape, and the plastic spikes on the bottom aren't even worn. And they're probably not worth a ton, but I just like the challenge of seeing how clean we can get these. So these are going to be $6.50, and I'm just going to take them home in today's video and show you guys how we go about cleaning them and see what we can make them look like.
Just found a pair of Aloe leggings, which is a really good brand to look out for. I think I've only found this one other time, and I sold them for like $30 plus shipping. So I'm gonna grab this, especially with the cool pattern.
about to leave, and I just saw this other pair of aloe leggings on the end of the rack. Size medium.
It was a pretty good day at Goodwill today. Did really well at the bin side, got a couple things at the regular Goodwill side. We did not find the owner of the hoarder van back there to offer him a purchase price.
I saw him in there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. If he watches, you think he watches the channel?
I don't know.
If you are, let us know if you want to sell us your van. I'll buy it. So we got those white Callaway golf shoes at Goodwill today. They were pretty dirty and the dirt looked fairly superficial, so I thought I could get them cleaned up fairly well. I don't really know how much they're worth, but I did get one of them cleaned up, and I want to show you the difference here. So we took the laces out. It's always easier to clean shoes once the laces are out. Obviously, this one is still the dirty one, and this is the clean one. And you can see, I mean, it came pretty clean. And like I said, the bottoms they have those like plastic spikes instead of the replaceable spikes, so we got plenty of tread left. There's a couple there's a little yellow spot right there that didn't come out, but for the most part these are really clean. I think the sole, that yellowing on the sole, is kind of natural. Like, I don't think it's supposed to be pure white. So I'd say these are probably like 8 out of 10 condition now, and probably worth like 30 bucks, 25 to 30 bucks plus shipping. And just again, a little comparison to what they used to look like, just some superficial dirt, some grass and stuff in the bottom, and everything like that. And in terms of what I actually used to get these clean, it's all right here. We got some OxiClean Max 4 stain remover. We've got a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, or also called a melamine sponge. If you go to Amazon and search melamine sponge, you can get like 100 of these for like 12 bucks, free shipping. It's crazy. And then we use this shoe brush as well. This is actually a paint scraping brush. I believe the brand is called Warner, W-A-R-N-E-R. It's got a little pick on that end to get stuff out of the bottom, a nylon brush here, and a stainless steel brush up top. This is like less than $5 on Amazon, free shipping. Definitely the best shoe cleaning brush around. So there we go, folks. That's how we clean shoes. Again, I don't think, 25 bucks or so, but it's pretty cool that we can get something so clean. Also, in our last YouTube video, I said I was going to pick a random comment to win $100. So we've got the video pulled up here. I copied the URL into this website called YouTube or commentpicker.com or something. We've got the URL here. It looks like we've got 3,628 comments. So then we're going to pick a random winner to see who wins $100. And the winner is Liquidation Salvation. That's a cool name. Awesome video. So sweet. So Liquidation Salvation, shoot me an email, hairytornado@gmail.com, and we'll verify your YouTube account and then get that $100 sent your way. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you want to see another video from us that you probably will enjoy, click it right over here. We will catch you guys on the next one.